Hi there, my name is Jenny and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's take a sketchbook tour of days 11 through 20 of my 30-day painting project. Here's a little recap of days 1 through 10. This week I'm showing you days 11 through 20. It has not been easy keeping up with a daily painting challenge, especially with being pregnant and busy with daily life obligations. And to be honest, I almost gave up on a few paintings and wanted to throw them in the trash. Part of this challenge is to work quickly, persevere through, and not go back and fix any part of the painting. There's definitely freedom and beauty allowing things to be imperfect. I can't wait to show you the entire 30-day collection at the end of September. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear what you think of the 30-day painting project so far.